Watch Jada. Watch him. Wave to him. Fall down out here.
Bike ride? Hey Jay, what's Jada doing? What's she doing? What is she doing? Is she on a bike ride? Say, I want to go for bike ride.
Yeah, we didn't have a wagon out here.
Like that one your dad has, huh? Here she comes and goes.
Stop it.
He's okay.
Doing the freak out dance.
Here comes Jada. Yeah, you sure?
He's a troublemaker.
That's it. He's trying to jump. He gets about that much off the ground.
Jay, can you jump?
Hey buddy, how you doing?
Can you jump again?
Hey, slow down. Slow down. You're gonna bust your face.
He's waving to Jada. I can't
Hey,
see
you know
him.
what? I'm gonna put his helmet on.
Why?
Because.
Why?
See him running on the street? Going
Well, he's still gonna hit his face. He's getting a helmet on.